Today I came to Upper Sarangul shopping center, which is considered one of the worst mall. Let's see why people consider this one of the worst mall. So I'm going to review everything, whether the escalator working or not, whether how many food options are there, how many shops are there, whether it's old or not. Let's see inside. Let's go. Here with me. So these people are struggling because there is no way for staller. Oh, this is one of the broken lift. We need to find a lift so that we can go up because escalator is broken. It's really problem for the people who having kids. So we have one rule, we need to spend this $50 in this mall. Let me see if we can spend or not. Let's try. Oh, one more escalator behind me, broken. Oh my god, this mall looks very empty. How many shops are there? Very less shops. Count how many shops. 1, 2, few I can see open there. Okay. This is down. I can see one restaurant. I think this is fragrant restaurant. Let's see how it is. So second rule, we need to find the food options. We need to find where we can spend money. So these are the two options we have to consider. $50 minimum we need to spend, and we need to find the more options to spend money so that we can complete the challenge. Let's see. Let's see. So escalator is broken. I'm going down with the stair. Let me see. This sauce, ये सॉस कैसे बनी होती है? I need to ask. This I need to ask, this sauce is made of what? Rajesh, do you know?
Yes.
So we ordered this one, vegetarian yum ring. I ordered vegetarian yum ring. I just ordered, I don't know what is that. So this is first time I'm trying. Let's see. My brother is telling ki Bhumi, for 1 year I give you per day $100. Is it correct? Most of the shops close. So you just saw, I just came with the escalator. Don't throw this one. Little girl playing with cannot, this is silly. Wow. This is really big as per beyond my expectation. Little girl going there. All mushroom. tomato, carrot, some palak.
अच्छा ये वो है.
Mm. And the round one is made of some kind of float. Don't know what.
ड्रम स्टिक
क्या?
है क्या? ये ड्रम स्टिक है क्या?
ये का सैलरी है.
ऐसा हम घर में बना सके. फ्राई कर दिए ना कुछ ना करा.
ऐसा हम घर पे बना सकते हैं, right भाभी? We can make it at home also.
और क्या?
Don't tell this secret to anybody. $22. This is what? Let me know in the comment.
Today I'm giving party, so because tomorrow I'm going to join new company. I'm very
And
big third
Rajesh is
person.
giving this payment.
Already given.
So out of $50, I spent $22. Now left $28 I need to spend in this mall. Let's see what else I can find out. But later after finishing this. So now I have done my dinner. Let's go to the second floor. I think from second floor only we came. We need to go to third floor and fourth floor. What are the options we can get to spend money? So now we only spent $22. We still left $28. Let's see, check out. I was wrong because what they did, they added 10% service charge, 9% GST, and it's total coming $27.45. I'm very near to target. That means I may complete it. So we need to find more options to explore. Oh, this is, I don't know what is this. Oh, this shop is closed. But I'm not very fond of having jewelry. The escalator is broken and it's coming up. I need to go down. I need to go up. Okay. The closed shops I think going to close soon. So we park escalator here. Let's go up. I think this is fourth floor where I'm going. Fourth complete floor is occupied by this furniture shop. Oh my god, please I can see some lights. Good lights. You can see this brighter place. This is the same, the wooden or the interior shop. I think this is spread across almost half of the section is taken, fourth floor. Very wide one. And no doubt this escalator also not working. But if you see all the building looks so nice, new, not like old one. So I don't agree with this kind of points. Here I don't know what shop it is. I think still open. Maybe it's a brand new. So guys, I try to explore. I try to find the escalator working or not. I can see some escalators up escalator working, but not all. Most of the escalators are under maintenance. Moreover, the second options I can find the food vegetarian restaurant. Even vegetarian restaurant we tried. Non-vegetarian restaurant there was only 2 restaurant. Is Yum Num that is closed because we came around 8 o'clock. Another is Fragrance Garden, which I have already given review. We have non-vegetarian options and we order vegetarian. That seems to be very good. $22, but some GST and some tax that is including coming $27.45, which seems to be very costly. Maybe I can get some more options outside. Other than this, I cannot find any options for the food where I can have the juice. So finally, I believe this challenge is going to be fail. I'm not able to complete this challenge because very less facilities available, very less crowd, people, and most of the doors are not open. So there are very less shops. Interior of this mall seems to be nice, renovated, right Bhabhi? मॉल नया है ना, नया लग रहा है ना, नॉट लाइक ओल्ड वन. The crowd is very less. Oh my god, I can't feel the livingness here. I can see Anasifa. This is one of the art and fine center. I think there I was asking my little one for them. So guys, let us know what is your view. I have shown you most of the shops, whether it's available, open or not. Literally, I failed with the challenge. I still have this money, $22 around, and yeah. So based on my investigations or the visit in this mall, you can tell is it really good or not.